Okay. Okay.
All is good, I walk about, I'm here in my new outfit. I'm so glad to be alive and I'll do all about it. I am me and you are you and no one's here to doubt it. Oh how great, oh how cool. Birds are chirping, I am burping, nothing could be better. The wind is blowing, all is glowing, what a perfect weather. Nothing does distress me or depress me altogether. Oh how great to be, oh how cool to be me. Yet behind in my mind I can hear very near a call to belong to the song. Oh, I can hear it, I wish to hide. Oh, who can bear it, a calling in a sigh. I hear the world is speaking now to me. I hear the question, who shall I to be? I see a step in the side, I see a tender light, a chance for me to do it right. I see a step in the side, I see a tender light, a chance for me to do it right. That bird was so perfect in there,
Yeah.
right? You heard it?
No, I didn't hear it.
Ah.